In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate the control panel menus. Press the Select button under the Home icon. Use the navigation buttons to highlight the language icon. Press Select. Use the up and down arrow keys to browse to your desired language. Press the Select button under the Home icon to complete language selection. Highlight Settings and press Select. Navigate to Print Method. Use the up and down arrow keys to match the print method. Navigate to Media Type. Use the up and down arrow keys to select the media type. Navigate to Sensors and press Select. Use the up and down arrow keys to select the sensing method.